Hello YouTubers! What we are going to make today is we're going to put some HTV on these wood slice ornaments. I started seeing these on Pinterest and I loved them. I thought they were so pretty. People would paint on the black and then paint on a word. I can't paint. It's messy and it's a pain. And so I figured out how to put it on with HTV. HTV is cheap. You can put this on with your iron. It's quick and it's not messy. So, and you get so many different looks. You can get a very rustic one with this buffalo plaid pattern vinyl, or this is some spectrum holographic vinyl for more of a rustic gilliam feel, and this is just some good old glitter. You can personalize them with various sentiments. You can make them as blingy or as boring and simple as you want, and they go on pretty quick. You can make quite a lot, and they're not too expensive. So let me go show you what you need. Alright, so you're going to need some wood slices. These I ordered off Amazon. Came in a big old box. When I ordered, I got, there are 24 of them, and they're like 3 to 3.5 inches wide is what they say they are. When I ordered them, I got 24 for $15. I just looked, it's 24 for $24 now. So apparently order early is the theme for these videos at Christmas. And I really like these. They're fairly good quality. They're fairly nice. These are the ones I definitely prefer. They also come with twine to hang them up with. Hobby Lobby has them too, which you could use your coupons on. But the set that I ended up with was kind of not the prettiest ornaments. So, or not the prettiest wood slices. And you only get like 5, so, but it was only $4. So depending on how much you're gonna make. So those are where I got mine. You're gonna need some, I've been using black HTV, this is smooth HTV, and a pencil, and then I just cut out some smooth vinyl. You can cut out and put on whatever you want to. So this guy is printed pattern buffalo plaid. It's been really popular this year. This guy is spectrum holographic. And then this guy is just glitter. Some rough glitter. I thought he'd be pretty and sparkly under the tree. And then you might want a scraper. Scissors. And then I got a pokey thing. So I thought I lost my hook in the crafting room. And so I ended up buying this huge set from Cricut because I figured I'd probably lose them again, and the set had like multiple hooks. And they're really nice. I actually really like them. But this one's long and skinny and has a hook in it, or just like you can stab it. So you can pull out, you can make the hole for the, string. And then you're gonna need an iron. Mine is of course pink. It's just a standard pink iron. Just standard iron, nothing special by any means. So let me go show you how we do it. You're also going to want some parchment paper or some Teflon paper. I'll explain more about that in a minute. Now what I do to get like the painted look, because these are all irregular since they're natural wood, is what I do is this is black HTV and it's on the back side, the not shiny side. And this is a pencil. And I outline my pencil. Now it's probably going to be hard to see. Here it is. See the pencil? And then I'm going to cut it out. This is also a really good scrap buster. So what you're going to want to do is cut along your line, but cut inside of it. And then, I want to show it pretty well. And then place it and see how it looks. I don't particularly like this little thing so much over here. And it's kind of supposed to be like an organic-y kind of shape. Some of mine look better than others. Now what you're going to want to do is turn your iron on. I've turned mine on to the cotton linen setting. And then, so you're heating up this wood, and it's actually going to smell kind of woody when you do this. But it might release some of the sap in the back. So that's why I've got this parchment paper, or you could use a Teflon sheet. And so instead of having it, I actually had one stick to my desk. So you're going to put it underneath it, and then I just put one on top, more just to be careful, because you can melt this accidentally. If you just really hold the iron, you can melt, especially smooth HTV. The glitter is a little bit harder to melt, but just in case, to protect your iron. And then when my iron's all the way turned on, of course it popped up, you're going to hold and press in the middle of your iron. You're going to hold and press really hard and count to 10. Alright, so after the first press, see, this is what we want. It's pulling away from the carrier, and that's what's giving it the lighter look. Now see, it only did it on the outside, so we need to press again. So basically you're going to hold and press, and it already smells. Hold and press for 10 seconds. And then kind of go reevaluate how it looks. Now you also have the scraper. The scraper kind of helps encourage it into the wood. Now this doesn't have to be like 100%. It's not going through the washer. It's just going to stand on the tree. So it's not like it has to be stuck as good can be. You just kind of want it on there. Let's hit it one more time. Now the other thing to take into consideration is these two sides might be higher and this might be lower in the middle, because you're dealing with a natural product. Alrighty. Okay, so we got an air bubble right here. So you got a couple options. Push with the finger. You kind of want to be able to see the pattern. And then I would just hit it again real quick. And there we go. Alright, so after you get your base on, we're going to put on our words or whatever design you want. Now, this is a pokey stabby thing from Cricut. And then this is the hole for the ornament. It kind of shrinks up and makes a prettier hole once some heat hits it. So what you're going to want to do is hold it, stab it and hold it, because this is obviously not perfectly round. So you kind of want to have it hang to see where you need to put your words. And so it's kind of where we want to put our joy. So that's where we're going to want to put our joy. And then we cover it up again, definitely this time with the parchment paper, and then hold it down again. 10 seconds may be enough, it may not be enough. I'm going to push it down a little bit. There we go. And I would definitely hit this again. And there we go. That one's kind of simple. You could add more stuff to it. You would just repeat the process. So press and hold and peel, press and hold and peel, and put on as many as you want to. The glitter gets to be a little harder to put on because it's thicker. So it may take multiple presses for this one. This guy is a cold peel, so remember that. I also did this one with the new stretch metallic foils that are out there. And I'm just not patient enough for it. So you do be really patient with it. It'll pull up the design and make it kind of look a little crappy. Alrighty, so that is all there is to it. If you go follow me on Pinterest, I have a whole board full of these little guys. They're really cool. Some are really elaborate, some are kind of boring, depending on your taste. But I think they're kind of cool. So, anywho, I hope you liked our little video. Please like and subscribe to our little channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment, and I'll be back with another video soon.